Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna compare Remitly and Ria, two leading apps for sending money internationally. If you're a solopreneur or just managing your own finances, choosing the right platform matters. Step number 1. We have key features. Remitly offers express and economy delivery speeds, making it flexible for urgent or low-cost transfers. Ria is known for its wide network and multiple delivery options, including bank deposits, cash pickup, and mobile wallets. Step number 2. We have fees and exchange rates. Both platforms offer competitive rates, but it depends on the destination and payment method. Remitly usually charges higher fees for faster transfers but offers better rates for some countries. Ria may have slightly lower fees on average but less competitive exchange rates. Step number 3. Sign up and setup. Signing up is quick on both applications. Just download, verify your ID, and add your payment method. Both support debit cards, bank transfers, and even credit cards in some regions. Step number 4. Sending money. With Remitly, you choose speed, amount, and delivery type in a few taps. Ria gives similar steps with a bit more focus on local payout partners for cash pickup. Step number 5. Tips to save. Always compare exchange rates in real time before sending. You can use referral programs or promo codes, and they both offer them. And if you're not in a rush, you can use the economy options to save on fees. In the end, Remitly is great for flexibility and speed, while Ria shines with its global reach and lower average fees. Pick the one that fits your needs and budget best. Let me know in the comment section below which one do you prefer. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.